He's old Greenie birdie. There you are this morning, Greenie. Hey, Greenie on holidays. Look at me. You're a funny little birdie, aren't you? Yeah. You're very happy, aren't you, Greenie? Hey? Yeah. I'm just having my cup of coffee. That's where I slept last night. Yeah, Greenie misbehaving.
You're going to break that cup, Neil.
Hey?
You'll break the cup.
Yeah, get Greenie. Come on.
Toss it overboard.
Greenie, come here. Come on. Leave the cup alone. Come on, Greenie.
Toss it overboard.
Now put it in. Come on. Behave yourself, little Greenie. There, Greenie playing around, being a bit mischievous. What are you doing, little Greenie beady? Yeah, Greenie's still up. It shows you what these parrots do, you know. He's getting up to a lot of mischief, you know. Greenie, what are you doing? You silly bird, you are, Greenie. Greenie. Little birdie. Look at me. Look at me, Greenie. You love me, don't you? No? What are you looking in there for, Greenie? Greenie. Yeah, Greenie's still exploring things, and he's a very, very active bird because it's nice and cool down here at Wollongong. In Queensland at this time of the year, he's never this active, really. He's a silly, silly bird. He's always exploring things. Come here, then, Greenie, come here. Greenie, Vinny, come here. Yeah, come here, Greenie. Hey, come here, Greenie. There, a little bit warm. Come here, Greenie. 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 Greenie just sitting out here, just cleaning himself, preening himself. Little Greenie bird in the car doing alright. Hello, little Greenie. Little Greenie. Greenie bird. Hey, and he's admiring this beautiful paradise up here. Snowy Mountains National Park, New South Wales, April the 20th, 2007. This is old little Greenie, he's having things to eat. He's right up here at Mount Kosciuszko National Park. You gonna have something to eat, Greenie? Come on, Greenie birdie. Greenie! Oh, I love you, Greenie bird. Ticky ticky. See, it's where we parked right here. Right in the environment. I've got the radio going and I'm just getting the bread ready to have some spaghetti in that, Whoever brings the, pet bird, to a place like this, eh? Yeah, it's a bit cold, but Greenie's taking it alright, but it's not too bad. You love the cold, don't you, Greenie bird? Hey, come on. Greenie. Greenie. Oh, Greenie bird. Love me, don't you? Hey, you're a bit shy of the camera, are you, Greenie? Come here, Greenie. You love me, don't you? Oh, Greenie eating away. Yeah, he's just eating his seed up here at Mount Kosciuszko. The more they eat, the more they can keep thermal energy into their bodies, and most probably he's got to grow a little bit more undercoat anyway to keep him warm. He's a funny bird, you know, little Greenie. Don't do that, Greenie. Greenie! Don't make a mess, Greenie. Don't be naughty. That's a good birdie. Good birdie. Don't waste your seed, Greenie. I love you, Greenie bird. Greenie, Greenie. You get excited, don't you, Greenie bird, eh? Oh, I love you, Greenie bird. Yeah, that's Greenie. Up here at Kosciuszko National Park. And that's where I just parked, just right here on the side of the road. I'm just going to have my spaghetti very soon. I'm starting to get hungry and I'll get straight into this spaghetti I just made. So I just put some pepper and salt on it. You see? And I just parked, just up alongside of the road, just up here actually. This is Charlotte's Pass coming live on my birthday, 45th birthday, 2007, April the 20th, 2007. And that's a Charlotte's Pass little township just down there. And old Greenie bird's still eating away. Ain't you, Greenie? Hey? You love the mountain country, don't you? The air's a little bit thin up here for you, I suppose, Greenie bird. It is, not too worried. I get a real close view of Greenie. Love me, don't you? No, I love you, Greenie bird. Diggy, diggy, diggy. I love you, Greenie. Yeah, it's not really shaking, it's not much wind around, and it's taking the alpine air pretty good. Aren't you, Greenie, eh? You love it up here in a nice, cool, air-freshening country, don't you, lovely little birdie? Yeah, I love you, Greenie. Greenie bird. Anyway, I'm just outside the patio of my mother's unit here at Batemans Bay, and that's little Greenie bird, you know, just outside on the patio. Hello, what are you doing, little Greenie? You want to film, Greenie birdie? And you know, this is part of the Batemans Bay shopping centre, you know, from my mother's patio. And there's old little Greenie, looking at me in a funny way, aren't you? You little diggy diggy diggy. You do it. Little Greenie. Little birdie. Love me, don't you? And just looking up the hill up there.